Yo, what's up, man? Big Shorty of Amenity, man. Y'all know what it is. Man, it's that time of year, man. Got one for y'all, okay? Got one for y'all. Periodical Cicada, man. They coming here to take a look, man. Right outside my door. I like the black ones, though, man. Let me get this for y'all real quick, man. Hold on. Let me get this for y'all. Y'all know what it is. Now, here's the thing about these Jones, man. These Jones so small, bruh. They smaller than the ones we used to seeing. That's for sure. Their eyes not as red anymore. They so small, man. The black on them ain't that good. Maybe this ain't finished changing yet, man. I don't know. There we go. They don't seem like the black on them ain't. It's just not as, they're not as the same size, man. They smaller. I mean, this don't small, man. So we're gonna see, man. Just wanted y'all to see that real quick, man. Y'all know I'm gonna be on it, right? Y'all know I'm gonna be on it. If anybody on it, it's me. Tip the nose, baby. Tip the nose. All right, man. Y'all have a good one, man. Be easy, man. Yeah.